My name is Abdullah,
And I am Hijab, his sister.
and today we are going to do some very easy and very useful exercises, weight losing exercises.
First of all, we will warm up. So, the warm up exercises help our muscles not to get injured. The first warm up exercise,
Yes.
stretching our hands
Stretching
up.
our hands upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, for the first exercise, which is called high stepping, we will raise our hands like this, and then we will start jogging. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
For our second exercise, we will do jumping jacks. Count to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Third exercise is called squat reach ups. For that, come in squat position and then reach up 5 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. The next exercise is called glute kickbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next exercise is called straight leg raises. For that, you have to lie down, bend one leg, and push up the straight leg. 1, 2, switch the leg. 1, 2. Good. In the end, we will do the same stretches that we did in the start, just to cool down the body. Stretching our arms up and then to the sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.